UPS driver Jim Klink could have lost his life.
My vision was blurred. I was seeing stars. I was throwing up. I just honestly could not drive that vehicle safely anymore.
His wife, Teresa.
I am a nurse, and I was terrified.
Klink has worked for UPS for almost 15 years.
It's a very good job. As a matter of fact, I love the work that I've done for UPS.
But every summer, he dreaded the heat.
That cargo area where all the packages are kept, it's pretty much like opening up a big oven and walking into it.
Klink lives in New Jersey, but we discovered it's happening all over the country. UPS package trucks are not air-conditioned, and drivers say the cargo area can reach temperatures of up to 152 degrees. One week in August 2016, Klink says the heat became unbearable.
I didn't want to be, the complainer, so I just worked.
Even though you were lightheaded?
Yeah.
The next morning, Klink says he called in sick and ended up in the emergency room.
Your kidneys were failing. You almost died.
Yeah, I did. I almost died.
He's not alone. An NBC News analysis of federal and state data found 107 reports in 23 states of UPS employees being admitted to the hospital for serious heat-related illnesses since 2015. UPS declined our request for an interview, but in a written statement told us this is a small percentage of their workforce and says that some injuries are caused by workers' personal medical issues. But two former Department of Labor officials say they believe the actual number of injuries is much higher.
It's clearly a big problem.
David Michaels ran OSHA, the worker safety agency, for 8 years under President Obama.
Obviously, Americans want their packages delivered, but they don't want workers to get hurt. UPS is a very large, profitable company. They can afford to make sure those workers aren't hurt.
He admits he was never able to pass a national workplace heat rule while he led the agency, but says it needs to happen now.
If nothing is done, we'll have workers working harder and faster in hotter temperature. More of them will be hospitalized.
We spoke to 20 UPS drivers in 11 states who were injured or spoke out about the heat. While many told us they liked their jobs, they feared retaliation if they complained or took extra breaks, in part because they are constantly monitored.
The company knows when you have your seatbelt on. The company knows how fast you're going.
UPS told NBC News it believes air conditioning would be ineffective at its trucks, said it encourages its drivers to drink water and rest, and provides employees extensive health and safety training.
It's easy to give that advice, but if an employer doesn't say you have the time to do it, and we won't penalize you for taking that time, some of them are going to be hospitalized, and sadly, a few of them may even die.
And Cynthia joins us right now. We heard you say the company thinks the air conditioning would be ineffective, yet is it still something they're considering?
Well, Lester, the company made almost $5 billion in profits last year, but they say it hasn't calculated the cost of air conditioning because they say it wouldn't be effective since the trucks make frequent stops and the doors are often open. Now, some experts say there could be other solutions, like allowing more time for breaks when temperatures rise to dangerous levels. And as for Jim Klink, he told us he's considering retiring early, even though it's going to mean a cut in his pension.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.